First of all, my heartfelt pranam to the thoughts of Trinity present in this joyful environment. Good morning, everybody, respected dignitaries on the dais, and all the futures of humanity present here. As a part of this workshop, on the behalf of Shankarlal Khandelwal College, I take this opportunity to express my deep sense of gratitude in this inaugural session of the UGC assisted SVSC one-day workshop on Me and Swami Vivekananda certificates. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Taratai Hatwarne, President of these sessions, for accepting our invitations and spending her valuable time with us. She not only a President of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, but play a role of mother for this institute. I express my sincere acknowledgement toward the inaugural guest and keynote speaker, Honorable Principal Dr. Ram Deshmukh, in spite of his busy schedule, he managed to come all the way from Jalgaon, Jammu. My acknowledgement are also toward all the resource persons of today's workshop. Most revered Swami Aryanand Maharaj, most revered Swami Srikantanand Maharaj, Honorable Prashant Upal, for their upcoming address to the student in this workshop. I express my sincere acknowledgement toward University Grant Commission, New Delhi, for funding assistance for organizing this event. I am also deeply thankful to the office bearer of Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, respected Shri P, Vice President, Honorable Shri Gopalji Khandelwal, Secretary, Honorable Kulkarni Sir, Vice President and Treasurer, Sau Rekhatai Khandelwal, Shri Giriji Deshpande, Shri Vasantji Khandelwal, member, for their constant encouragement and motivate to overcome all the hurdles in the path ahead. My acknowledgement are also toward Coordinator of SVSC, Dr. M.O. Malpani Sir, UGC nominees Dr. Gore Sir, invitees member Professor Rasekar Sir, and Shri Purushottam Shiraji for giving their valuable insights and inputs. I sincerely thank Honorable Principal of our college, Director of SVSC, and Chief Organizer of this workshop, Dr. J.M. Sabu Sir, for his constant guidance and support. Sir, your presence always inspires us. I would like to thank all the office bearers of Shri Ramakrishna Vivekananda Ashram, Geetanagar, Akola, for their support and timely help. I am thankful to all the colleges of Akola and their students present here for the workshop. I also take this opportunity to personally thank Professor Avinash Dhote, Organizing Secretary, and Dr. Nisha Parade Madam, Convener of this workshop, for being very supportive, considerate, and understanding. My special thanks to all the committee's members, entire teaching and non-teaching staff members of this college, and all those that who help directly and indirectly in organizing this event. Thank you very much. Once again, now I hand over this mic to Madam for further instruction. Thank you.